Okay, so we're in the finger. The FDP appears to be intact at its insertion. There's no evidence of any tear there. This is intact here. When we pull here, we get a nice flexion. Excuse me. So there's no injury in there. Now we come up here, and I've got the tendon here. We've identified it. We block here, and you can see we've identified the FDP to the small finger. And then here's ring. That one's ring. Here's FDS to the small and FDP to the small. So it appears that zone of injury is going to be higher up in here. There has to be something more proximal to this. Okay, stop there.